At the cemetery. There's a YouTube channel called Middle-Aged Mavericks, and one video has been freaking people out. While walking through a cemetery, their dog suddenly stops and starts growling. Low, aggressive, focused on nothing. Its back hair spikes straight up, like it senses danger. The owners look around, but there's no one there. No animals, just graves. Dogs don't react like that for no reason, so what was it warning them about? In a place full of the dead, watch. It's there. A TikToker known as Scary Videos VN posted a video showing something unsettling happening in his home. His cat suddenly became fixated on the ceiling, staring, pawing, and tracking something that wasn't visible on camera. There were no insects, no shadows, nothing moving. The cat's behavior didn't look playful. It looked focused, almost cautious. Viewers pointed out how animals often react to things humans can't see, and whatever had caught the cat's attention above them never appeared on screen. What are your thoughts on the cat's behavior? Who is there? In a video posted by Jade Hensel, her dog suddenly starts barking at nothing. There's no one in the room, no sound, no movement. The dog locks its eyes on an empty space and keeps barking like it's trying to warn something away. Then out of nowhere, it stumbles backwards as if something shoved it. Jade looks confused. The room looks normal, but the dog refuses to go near that spot again. Animals react to things we can't see, so the question is, what was standing there with them?
Come here. No. Let it go. Come here.
Oh! Did you see that? What is he seeing? I'm scared. Bro, I'm scared. I'm scared. What's going on? Why is he being pushed? He's being pushed.
Pushing.
I'm scared.
If he go flying across the road,
I'm out.
he's coming.
What do you think, paranormal or not? Drop a comment. It's watching. A man was explaining something strange that had been happening in his home. One day, his dog suddenly refused to go past a certain point in the house. No matter how much he called, the dog wouldn't move, just stared, frozen. As he filmed and tried to reason it out, he began explaining what he thought the issue might be. Then he noticed something he hadn't seen before. In the bathroom window behind him, a pair of glowing eyes. They weren't reflections. They didn't move like lights. His tone changed immediately. Whatever had stopped his dog from going any further might have been watching the entire time.
Okay, so the dog is refusing to leave beyond this point right here. We don't know why. We thought it was from the bathroom, but we're not sure. We also thought that it was because of a exercise bike that we brought back up, but it wasn't, so we brought it back down. And yet she still refuses to leave this room. Like, she won't go beyond here. We don't know why. It only started today.
Tell us, what do you think it was watching down in the comments? It's in the kitchen. A woman claims that her house is haunted by an angry spirit, and her dog would completely refuse to enter random rooms in the house. That day, the dog refused to go into the kitchen and started barking at something she can't see. So she picked up her phone and started recording.
Can you come here? Come here, Smooch. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. It's okay. It's okay, come on.
She tried to use treats and food to encourage the dog to come inside, but with no success. She demanded that the spirit should leave her dog alone. Finally, the dog decided to retreat to another room.
Come on, want a cookie? You want a cookie? Come on. Come on, cookie. Smooch, come on. Come. Leave my dog alone. Leave my dog alone. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on, Smooch. Come.
Just what do you think happening here, paranormal or not? Tell us in the comments. Unseen presence. A woman was walking her dog near a cemetery when something strange happened. Out of nowhere, her dog stopped and started barking at absolutely nothing. Not at an animal, not at a person. She later explained that her dog never reacts like this, especially not with fear. But this time was different. The dog backed away, shaking, eyes locked on empty space. Whatever it saw near that cemetery terrified it.
It's an empty graveyard, Circles. There's nothing there.
Tell us in the comments, was it paranormal? Or there was a reasonable explanation? Thank you everyone for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to support the channel.